Welcome to the demonstration of sending automated messages using workflow rules through Rivet SMS for Zoho CRM. Let us go to the leads page. Select any lead. Click on Send SMS Rivet from the drop-down. Click on your profile. Select Workflows. Here we can view the details required in order to configure our workflow. Let us go to the setup page of Zoho CRM. Under Automation, click on Workflow Rules. Click on Create Rule. Select the module to which the workflow is to be applied. Enter the name of the workflow rule. Click on Next. Firstly, we would have to determine when the workflow is to be executed. Select the time of execution of the workflow. And click on Next. We now have to determine the conditions for the workflow. Select the leads to which the workflow is to be applied. Click on Next. Under Instant Actions, from the drop-down, select Webhook. Enter the name of the webhook. We can add a description if required. Select the method as Post. Copy the webhook URL. And paste it next to URL to notify. Under Body, select the type as raw. Select the format as JSON. Copy the parameters for sending SMS. And paste it under Body. We now have to determine the values for each of the parameters, which can be entered within Fill Here. Enter the parameters within the double quotations. Adjacent to From. Enter your Rivet SMS sender ID. Adjacent to. Enter hashtag. And select the phone field to which the message is to be sent. Adjacent to Content, enter your message content to be sent. Adjacent to Module, enter the API name of the module for which the workflow is being created. On the setup page, select APIs under Developer Space. Click on API Names. Here you can view the API name of the modules. Copy the API name and enter it adjacent to module. Adjacent to record ID, enter hashtag and select the field lead ID. We have now entered all the parameters required. Click on Refresh URL. Click on Save and Associate. Click on Save. Our workflow has now been created. We can disable or enable the workflow when required. Within any lead, we can edit any of the fields. Under Timeline, We can view that the webhook has been invoked through the workflow rule created. Click on Rivet SMS History to view the history of the message sent. Thank you.